New heavy-duty polyurethane casters, a major launch. Today, let's introduce 2 heavy-duty PU formulations of SHENPAI caster to you. Firstly, Dura-SHEN high-load economy formulation. It is designed for heavy-duty applications and the load capacity increased by 30. Tough wear resistance. Unbeatable cost effectiveness. Many customers struggle with a common issue. Nylon wheels damage floors, while standard PU lacks load strength. And Load-SHEN extreme high-load formulation can perfectly solve the pain point. The comparison is so clear. Nylon wheels offer high load capacity but are noisy and scratch floors, and standard PU protects floors and runs quietly, but load capacity is weaker. Load-SHEN combines the best of both: high load with low rolling resistance, low noise, all-round floor protection. For heavy loads without floor damage, SHENPAI specialty polyurethane casters will be your first choice.
SHENPAI caster.